Now blue is not in her.
Okay, welcome back. Today we have a unit that is from Sis Wigs, and it's called The Dream. Now, when I got this unit in, I was like, okay, I guess I'll try to review that. I'm not really sure if I should, but I'm gonna try my hand at it. I don't give up on a wig. I will try, y'all. I will try. I will give it my best shot, okay? Just because I may not like it at first and you may not like it, somebody will like it. So that's why I have to review them. And with that being said, the wig we have today is named Millie, and it is in the color sombre blonde. Okay, this is the care card that comes in there. She's smiling. Maybe she likes it. Do we think she likes it? I don't know. So let's take the wig out and see. What made me, I took this wig out and I was like, but it's real bright though, and it's short. And I know y'all like, but chick, you be wearing blonde hair. But I was like, but it's real short. How am I gonna do it? I don't know. I'm afraid. So here's what she looks like. Again, it is for someone. I know it is. I used to have an auntie that used to wear hair like this, and she used to love her blonde hair. And you know, sometimes it looked good and sometimes it was in, but when she put that makeup on and she get it right, she looked real good. So let me see if I can channel auntie. Let me see if I can channel her in this. So the cap construction, it's a full lace wig. So the cap construction has 2 combs in front, and then you get a comb, no comb in the back. Ooh, that's okay though. Again, we don't give up on wigs on this channel. We will put them on life support. We will save them. We will save these wigs, okay? So let's get into the color. Looks like you get a number 6 or a number 8 down here. This isn't even a number 4, which, okay, because it's so blonde, I get that. Thank y'all, whoever did it. Thank you. Thank you. Now, you don't have any color back here or any dark root, but you do get the ombre up here. So we may be able to do something. Now, this under the bottom here, I'm scared, y'all. I'm terrified. I know you don't hear me say that much, but this one got me scared. So I'm gonna need some water. I'm gonna need a drink. I'm gonna need something. Let's get this wig popping. Okay, this is the wig on, and ooh, not so cute, but we are going to work with it. As I said, we don't give up. We don't stop. I think we can do something with it. I think it has potential. It's coming together. So stay tuned for the end result and my final analysis on Miss Millie. Will she make the cut?
There's nowhere I'd rather be than here with you. There's nowhere I'd rather be than here with you. There's no place I'd rather be.
Okay, this is the final look for for Miss Millie, and I think we saved her. I think she was saved. I haven't looked at the back, but I think we saved her, because when I got her, I was like, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. But she came out to be super, super cute. So I haven't looked in the back, but this is what she looks like again. Let's see. Did we exceed that? I think we did. I did have to get creative on this side. I did take a little bit of edges out and just kind of fake it till I make it over there. Yeah, that's what that's about. But let me give you ladies a 360 on the unit. This is the front. You don't get a parting area. You got the side. Now the side over here kicking. Like, hey, just look at me on this side. It's kicking. Now, I don't know how the back looking. Is the back looking like an old lady? I have no idea. I'm not sure about that. You definitely probably want to wear a black cap under here too. You know. And then I put this side there to see my ear. And then this side. So I think all in all, we made her look pretty cute. We made her doable. So she's a cute wig. The hair on this, the hair texture on this, I know it's not human hair. No, it's synthetic, but it feels really good. It feels like really soft. And as you can see in here, it looks real soft. Like it's lightweight. It's not heavy. And the cap construction is really big head friendly, because I wasn't sure like how the cap construction was going to be, considering it's a small unit. So, but it's really light. Not a lot of hair, but enough hair. Enough hair because of this color. Because you wouldn't want too much hair anyway, you know, because of the color. Definitely would keep that there, have that coming towards my face, because I don't think I like it behind there. So if you are interested in Miss Millie, I will leave all the information for purchase in the description box below. She probably will be for sale on my site, so you can check there as well if you want this particular one in this particular color. I think Millie is probably going to be cute in a natural color as well, but this is this gave me some Caribbean vibes. It gave me some like, I don't know, something different. So information will be in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you share this video, any of my videos, please share them. Tag me in it. My name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies in my next video. Bye.